Hi guys, welcome to tonight's break. 5 boxes of Sweet Shot going to be chosen from a brand new sealed case. I don't know if it'll help if you see a number, but there's nothing to say it's Sweet Shot in here, but it is. So I'm going to open this in front of you. So I'll give you the particulars of the break. Time is 1:28. We're into Monday morning, May the 6th. All the breakers. The breakees, I mean. I am the breaker. Not doing a good job focusing tonight. Here we go. Thank you to everyone for paying so quickly. Okay, good. So I will choose the top 5 boxes from this case. Actually, this was the last auction to end. It's the Chicago Blackhawks at 10:05. Okay. I'll do some slicing and dicing here. Oh, the pack is pretty good. There we go. Look inside. Here we've got the case. Pull out the first 5 tins. I have another one of these 5-box breaks going on Tuesday night. So if you participated, there will be a case hit or more than one case hit. You do guarantee yourselves a chance at that by participating. So let's see. Okay. These I will keep them in view. Let's try to get the best camera angle here. So here we go. Got all the tins, brand new. Sorry for the slowness of everything so far. Just trying to be thorough. And if you watched the game tonight, wasn't pretty. Montreal Canadiens pretty much self-destructed in the third period. They actually were pretty good through 2 periods. Good luck to everyone. Ooh, this one feels pretty thick actually. First box, wow. Let's hope for some goodness here. Some sweet shot goodness. Base cards will go out if you want them. So if you only hit a base card, you don't really want it, well, that's fine. Mika Kiprusov, Calgary. Paul Correa. Wow, Paul Correa, he's been gone a few years now. He's a good player. This is a very nice card. Thomas Steen. Or Sten, I don't know how you actually pronounce it in Sweden, but... Or is it Czech? That's Alex's, Alexander Steen's, the guy who plays for St. Louis. This is his father. Nice puck signatures. This goes to Phoenix because this guy played for the Jets, and this version of the Jets became Phoenix. He was a solid player, this guy. Nice hit for Phoenix. Here we've got his Sweet Stitches. For Florida of Thomas Vokoun. 289. I believe it's an 89. Out of 299. Nice card. That's going to Florida. Just check on the back. Yep. And we've got Peter Mueller. He plays for Florida now, but this is going to Phoenix as well. Wow, Phoenix killing it so far. Phoenix went for like $4 or something. Some of the prices were crazy low. They were almost as low as if it was just one box. So this is out of $5.99. I believe that's a 5. Is that a 6? I think it's $5.99 these cards. Yeah, $5.99. So that's the first box. We'll get into the second one now quickly. So we got a few hits there, but I'm still waiting for the huge ones. Got your incredible rookie class. You know, just from having Jonathan Taves, Patrick Kane, Carey Price. I mean, Yaroslav Halak, who's not even considered that big a name anymore. The Boston guys, Tuukka Rask. Milan Lucic. We hit a Milan Lucic from a different box, different case. We hit an auto rookie of him recently, so. The great Yari Curry. These space cards always stick together. Yari Curry played for 2 teams. Played for Edmonton, played for LA. When he came back and played for LA, he wasn't that great anymore, but he's still a pretty good player. Sid the Kid. Sid's looked pretty good since he's back. They managed to edge the aisles tonight. Here's a nice card. Ooh, who is this? Big Joe. Ice signings. Nice card for the Sharks. Look at that. Signed right on this piece of whatever plastic. 73 out of 100. Going to San Jose. Nice hit for San Jose. And here's a hit for Dallas. Marty Turco. Well, it's been a while since he was around too. Used to be a heck of a goalie. 62 out of 299, 3 colors, going to Dallas. Believe he went to University of Michigan. Ooh, I thought it was a Carey Price until I saw it's a skater. Montreal Canadiens. Sergei Kostitsyn. Was drafted, I think, in the 5th round by Montreal. He actually played in the minors with, I believe, on a line with Patrick Kane and I forgot who the other guy was. So like a heck of a line in Barry or one of those places, Barry or London. This card is out of $5.99. It looks like a 404 or something, but it doesn't want to focus. Usually it focuses on the back. Yeah, this is the dilemma that most breakers face when a card refuses to focus. There we go. Now it's, whoa, sorry about that. No worse for wear. And it is indeed back in the non-focus. 404 out of $5.99. That's 2 boxes. Moving along. Still have time to get in a third box here in the first video. Maybe I'll do a whole case of these one time. 20 boxes, 20 tins. Shouldn't take too long. So there were some big time fisticuffs tonight in the Habs game. A lot of undisciplined play by the Canadians. They just were outplayed. This kid Pajot looked terrific in the third period. He could end up being another one of these Claude Giroux type guys. I mean, I don't know where these guys come from. All I know is the Montreal Canadiens don't seem to ever draft them. Is that Marty St. Louis? It sure is. Fantastic season this year. I mean, the guy I think led everybody in scoring. Unbelievable. Patrice Bergeron, that's another one that the Canadians missed. Heck of a player. Here we've got a Hall of Famer signature skate ice signings of Denny Potvin. One of the best defensemen ever. Tremendous player. A guy the Canadians badly wanted to draft, but just couldn't move up to get this guy. 27 out of 100. It's not his number. He wore number 5. Nice hit for the Islanders. We've got here a nice Ryan Smith. Wow, he's played for quite a few teams, I guess. All Western teams. 102 of 299, 3 colors. Well, 2 colors. And who's our rookie? Give us someone good. No, it's not a good one. Ville Koistinen. Must be back playing in Europe, this guy. Card is numbered out of 599 as usual. Looks like a 335, something like that. That's a hit for Nashville. And that's it for that box. We'll go into a second video. I don't want to run out of time, so we've got all our hits. Done pretty good so far. See you in a couple of minutes.